Today we'll be showing you how to convert your standard Mosin Nagant bolt handle to a custom bent sniper bolt. This tutorial will have both disassembly and assembly. We start the disassembly by holding the cocking ring and pulling it, turning it counterclockwise. This releases the top two components, allowing it to slide out and exposing the firing pin. As you can see, the firing pin is now completely cylindrical. Having two flat sides, this allows us to use the top front component as a screwdriver, releasing the fire pin from the bolt handle. Turn counterclockwise to release the firing pin from the bolt handle. An important note is that the firing pin is still being pushed against by its spring in the bolt handle, so be cautious when loosening the pin all the way. This covers the disassembly of the Nagant bolt handle. This begins the assembly of the sniper bolt handle. Place the firing pin into the bolt handle. Have the cocking ring align with the end of the bolt handle. Due to the resistance of the firing pin spring, it is advised to use both hands to tighten the firing pin back into the cocking ring, before using the screwdriver component to tighten the firing pin all the way back. Turn the firing pin clockwise to tighten. You want to stop tightening when the firing pin is flush with the cocking ring. You will know when you correctly align the firing pin when the flat notch aligns with the indicators of the cocking ring, creating a complete line. As previously noted, the firing pin is not cylindrical and is somewhat rectangular. The top component also has a hole that matches with this particular shape, so keep in mind when assembling. A good indicator when everything is ready is when the top front blocks create a 45-degree angle, as well as the bottom notch that aligns with the channel of the rail. When this is ready, you lock the full assembly by pulling the cocking ring and turning it clockwise. A click would indicate that the components have been locked in. This concludes the assembly of the Mosin Nagant sniper bolt. You can find the Mosin sniper bolt handle on our website at kbtacticalstar.com.